Today we're looking at a 2015 Toyota RAV4 that came in with a customer complaining about a brake pulsation and a little lack of stopping power. So we inspected the brakes. We found that the brake pads were getting down to about 10% of the material left. We're going to go ahead and replace those as well. An important factor to doing this is make sure all the components are working correctly. You want to inspect your brake caliper mounting bracket, make sure that these slide pins are moving freely, allowing the caliper to retract and not cause any premature brake pad wear. Another important thing that we do here at 3D Auto is we take the time to clean this rotor mating surface on the hub itself, make sure there's no rust ridges or anything like that that would cause any improper alignment with the rotor being installed. As you can see, we have the rotors and brake pads reinstalled on the vehicle. Everything's back the way it should be, just getting ready to put on the tire. So if you feel like your brakes aren't working correctly or you're just curious and want to have them inspected, please give us a call. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.